Hi, Jay at Sherway Nissan. Common thing I usually see, or what I encourage parents to do, is do a check on how freely their car seat harness is. So what I would do is I would take these clips on the harness, and I just do a clip to make sure that everything is in order and that it's not twisting. So as you can see here, the harness is twisted into that little hole. So what we want to do is just make sure you untwist that, because you need free access of that, and you want to just make sure that it's never twisted in and out. And it's just a simple adjustment to make sure that it's nice and freely moving. And that always has to be checked so that you can actually tighten the harness on your child to make sure that they're nice and snug. A check to see if the harness is snug enough is just to put one finger underneath the collarbone when they're forward facing. And if they're rear facing, pinch the harness. And if you can pinch any of that harness, it's too loose. And if you can't, then it's tight enough when they're rear facing. If you have any more questions about car seat safety, hit me up at Sherway Nissan. I'd be happy to answer any of your questions.